remember the A sound? This is rain. What's the middle sound in the word rain?
A.
That's right. A. Rain.
Page 32. B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
R. A. N. Rain.
R. A. N. Rain.
2.
N. A. L. Nail.
N. A. L. Nail.
3.
A. L. Tail.
A. L. Tail.
4.
W. A. T. Wait.
W. A. T. Wait.
Page 33. C. Listen and circle. Then write. 1.
I don't like to wait.
2.
I can hear the rain.
3.
My kangaroo has a tail.
Page 33. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Rain, tail, wait, nail. Rain, tail, wait, nail. Rain, tail, wait, nail. Rain, tail, wait, nail. Rain, wait, tail, nail. Rain, wait, tail, nail. Tail, wait, nail, rain. Tail, wait, nail, rain. Rain, tail, wait, nail. Rain, tail, wait, nail.
Page 34. Long A. A, Y. A. Listen and learn.
This is a bay. What's the ending sound in the word bay?
A.
That's right. A. Bay.
Page 34. B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
B. A. Bay.
B. A. Bay.
2.
D. A. Day.
D. A. Day.
3.
S. A. Say.
S. A. Say.
4.
A. Pay.
A. Pay.
Page 35. C. Listen and write. Then match. 1.
Say. Say.
2.
Pay. Pay.
3.
Day. Day.
4,
bay, bay.
Page 35. D. Listen and write. 1,
I can say my name.
2,
It is a hot day.
3,
I pay the man on the bus.
4,
I can see a wave in the bay.
Page 35. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Payday bay. Payday bay. Payday. Payday. Day bay. Day bay. Payday bay. Payday bay. I pay. I pay. I pay for a day. I pay for a day. I pay for a day at the bay. I pay for a day at the bay. I pay for a day at the bay. I pay for a day at the bay.
Page 36. Long A. A, I. A, Y. A. Read and say. Then listen and repeat.
Can you say these words?
1,
Sail, sail.
Sail. Sail.
2,
Mail, mail.
mail, mail,
3,
Hay, hay.
Hay. Hay.
4,
May, may.
may, may.
Page 37. C. Listen and number. 1,
Mail, mail.
2,
Bay, bay.
3,
Rain, rain.
4,
Say, say.
5,
Hey, hey.
6,
Sail, sail.
7,
Tail, tail.
8,
May, may.
Page 38. Long A. A, I. A, Y. A. Listen and write. 1,
H, A, hay.
2,
A, cake.
3,
M, A, L, mail.
4,
A, P, tape.
5,
A, L, tail.
6,
M, A, May.
Now try these. Listen, unscramble, and write. 1,
W, A, way.
2,
P, A, N, pain.
3,
L, A, T, late.
4,
M, A, N, main.
Were you right?
Page 39. Story. B. Look and listen. Read along. Sail on the bay.
Hello, my name is Ray. I like to sail. I sail on the bay. I like to sail on the bay on a hot day. I sail on the bay on a hot day in May. I don't like to sail on the bay in the rain. Do you want to sail with me?
New words.
Hello, Ray.
Sight words.
Me.
Page 40. Review 2. Long O. O. E. Long U. U. E. Long A. A. I. A. Y. Song. A. Look and listen. Sing along.
I seek Duke, I seek Kay, they sail in May. They sail in the bay, in the sun and the rain. They sail in May. I see Kay, I see Duke, they walk in June. They walk the mule at 5 o'clock, pull on the rope, hum a tune. They walk in June.
I see Duke, I see Kay, they sail in May. They sail in the bay, in the sun and the rain. They sail in May. I see Kay, I see Duke, they walk in June. They walk the mule at 5 o'clock, pull on the rope, hum a tune. They walk in June.
Let's sail on the waves. Everybody walk the mule. Pull on the rope. Hum a tune.
Page 41. B. Is the vowel sound long or short? Listen and draw. 1,
Mop, mop.
2,
Rain, rain.
3,
June, June.
4,
Fun. Fun.
5,
Say. Say.
6,
Home. Home.
7,
Bat. Bat.
8,
Mail. Mail.
9,
Cub. Cub.
Page 41. C. Listen and number. 1,
Mule. Mule.
2,
Day. Day.
3,
Bone. Bone.
4,
Wait. Wait.
5,
Rope. Rope.
6,
Rule. Rule.
7,
Nail. Nail.
8,
Pay. Pay.
9,
Home. Home.
10,
Cube. Cube.
11,
Hay. Hay.
12.
Mail. Mail.
Page 42. Long O. O. E. Long U. U. E. Long A. A. I. A. Y. D. Listen and circle. Then write. 1,
Rope. Rope.
2,
Bay. Bay.
3,
Rain. Rain.
4,
Cute. Cute.
5,
Pay. Pay.
6,
Home. Home.
7,
Mule. Mule.
8,
Wait. Wait.